This is group 4. We're about to start assignment 9, and we're choosing water and cement versus plaster because it should break about the same.
Our beams are going to be 2 inches tall, or 2 inches in depth, and 3 inches wide by 24 inches long. All right.
Oop, yep, that's good.
You're getting the size pretty good with that.
Yeah, we don't really want it dripping on your table.
I know.
You gonna be at home tonight? Think about it.
Alright, that's probably good.
Hey,
Run by the office and
what's up?
Yeah, it's pretty thick. I thought we made 20. Alright, slow down.
Got a lot of those.
The stirrups we are placing here should help strengthen the beam and break under the diagonal forces caused by the sum of vertical and horizontal forces from the uniformly loaded beam.
I hope so. Especially if we can leave it out in the sun instead of warming it up.
Yeah, that's true. That'll help it a lot.
Which one do we want more?
I'd probably
I think
advise
that's
taking
good.
20 y'all's
Yeah,
houses
that's
because I wouldn't leave it outside here.
Yeah.
Who can make a better coil?
I still don't know if this is going to be hard to break or not. Like
It's pre-made.
I'm debating on if this is going to be hard because I mean,
For it, whatever.
Put that in there.
his hands are dirty already.
Mine.
Nice and clean.
That's a pretty cool idea.
That's a really bad one.
See her.
Yeah, you can see our rebar in both of them.
Huh.
They're nice and cracked, ready to be broken.
Glad I got that on video.
Well, when we were doing our beams, we chose to use cement and water, and obviously we went wrong somewhere in our water cement ratios, and they turned into cracking. Every single one of our beams cracked, so we're just going to use these 3 close to equal sizes, as close to equal as close to equal size as we can for this project.
Just using a regular weighted scale, and we're going to push down, and when it starts to crack and break, we'll know how much weight we put on it.
Go.
110 pounds. 130. Nothing.
Coiled, we use the coiled reinforcing, which on ours is actually only on this side now because our other side broke off. This thing is right in the middle of that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got about 10 pounds on there. And it's pulling out 80, 90, 100 pounds, 120 pounds. And it's pulling the rebar out of the concrete.
Yeah.
We tried to do a 2x3 concrete beam that was 2 feet long, and it ended up that the way we poured it, and I guess drying it too fast made all of our pieces crack.
Yeah, when the concrete shrunk, it really hurt all our beams. We couldn't get any of them to break and shear. They all broke in moment, even with a distributed load. The smooth rebar didn't really hold up. It wasn't deformed. The coat hangers, just pulled out of the concrete, which didn't really help either.
We ended up choosing 3 similar size beams that didn't have cracks in them, and 3 or 4, and we ended up putting enough force on there. It was about 150 pounds, and it broke in moment.